Well, hello again, young scholars. It's time to explore another career that you could have one day. Can you guess what career we're looking at today? If you guess fashion designer, you're correct. Let's meet our professional.
My name is Veronica and I am a fashion designer. My work consists of making one-of-a-kind costumes and everyday wear for people who want to wear something specially made for them.
What is the most rewarding part of your job?
One of the most rewarding things of our job is to be able to see something on paper and then see it come to life. For instance, when the girls that participate in Fiesta San Antonio wear our clothes on the beautiful floats along the parade route.
What tools do you use to get the job done?
Our tools are really fun. We have all kinds of threads, fabrics, textures, beads, mannequins, sewing machines, cutting machines, you name it. It's a really great place to work.
What do you have to be smart at to be a fashion designer?
To be a good fashion designer, you really have to be organized and have some basic knowledge of math and geometry. But creativity is the key.
What super skill do you use in your career?
One of the super skills that we use most in my job is being on time, because otherwise we're not going to be able to give our client the piece that they order in the time that they need it. So it is important that we put in our best effort every single day.
What an amazing career! Remember, use your come to school super skill and think about all the things you could be.